Where's your tobacco?
I think I left in the arbor. Gonna rain tonight.
Paper says so?
Yeah, right here.
It can't rain.
Hiya.
Hello, Frank. What's doing?
Nothing. Walking off my breakfast. Is that beautiful? Not a cloud.
Yeah, nice.
Every Sunday ought to be like this.
Want the paper?
What's the difference? It's all bad news. What's today's calamity?
I don't know. I don't read the news part anymore. It's more interesting in the line.
What? Are you trying to buy something?
No, I'm just interested to see what people want. You know, for instance, here's a guy looking for 2 Newfoundland dogs. Now, what's he going to do with 2 Newfoundland dogs?
That is funny.
Here's another one. Wanted. Old dictionaries. High prices paid. Now, what's a man going to do with an old dictionary?
Well, why not? Probably a book collector.
You mean he'll make a living out of that?
Sure, there's a lot of them.
All the kind of business going on. In my day, you were either a lawyer, a doctor, or you worked in a shop.
Well,
Now,
I was going to be a forester once.
well, that shows you. In my day, there was no such thing. You look at a paper like this and you realize how ignorant you are.
Hey, what happened to your tree?
Ain't that awful? The wind must have got it last night. You heard the wind, didn't you?
Yeah, I got a mess in my yard, too. What a city. What's Kate saying?
They're all asleep yet. I'm just waiting for her to see it.
You know, it's funny.
What?
Larry was born in August. He'd be 27 this month. And his sweetheart.
I'm surprised you remember his birthday. Frank, that's nice.
Well, I'm working on his horoscope.
Now, how can you make him a horoscope? Now, that's for the future, ain't it?
Well, what I'm doing is this, see? Larry was reported missing on November 25th. Now then, we assume that he died, it was on November 25th. Now, it came on.
Oh, then Kate asked you to make the new horoscope.
Yes, but she wants to find out whether November 25th is a favorable day for Larry.
What is that, a favorable day?
Well, a favorable day is a fortunate day for a man, according to the stars. Well, in other words, it'd be practically impossible for a man to have died on his favorable day.
So was that his favorable day, November 25th?
Well, that's what I'm working on to find out. It takes time, see? Well, the point is, if November 25th was his favorable day, it's completely possible he's alive somewhere because I mean, it's possible. I didn't even see you.
Is he talking sense?
Yeah, he's all right. He's just out of his mind, that's all.
The trouble with you is, you don't believe in anything.
And your trouble is you believe in anything. You didn't see my kid this morning, did you?
No.
Imagine, he walked out with his thermometer again, right out of his bag.
What a problem. One look at a girl and he wants to take her temperature.
Well, that boy's going to be a real doctor. He's smart.
Over my dead body he'll be a doctor. Good beginning, too.
Why? It's an honorable profession.
Frank, will you stop talking like a civics book?
You know, I saw a movie a couple of weeks ago. Reminded me of you. There was a doctor in that.
Dynamite?
Yeah, I think it was, yeah. And he spent his time in his basement discovering things. That's what you want to do. You can help humanity instead of...
I would love to help humanity on a Warner Brothers salary.
That's very good, Joe.
Well, where's the beautiful girl who's supposed to be here?
Amy came?
Yeah, she'll be right out. We picked her up on the 1 o'clock train last night. Wonderful thing. The girl leaves here a scrawny kid. She comes back a regular woman. I hardly recognize her. And she's been running in and out of this yard her whole life. That was a very happy family that used to live in your house, Jim.
I'd like to meet her. The block can use a pretty girl. In the whole neighborhood, there's not a damn thing to look at except my wife.
Mrs. Adams is on the phone, you darling.
Such is the condition which prevails. My love, my life.
Don't sniff around me. And give her a nasty answer. I can smell her perfume over the phone.
What's the matter with her now?
I don't know, dear. She sounds like she's in terrible pain. Unless her mouth is full of candy.
Why don't you just tell her to lay down?
She enjoys it more when you tell her to lay down. And when are you going to see Mr. Hubbard?
My dear, Mr. Hubbard is not sick, and I have better things to do than to sit there and hold his hand.
Seems to me that for $10 you can hold his hand.
And if your son wants to play golf, tell him I'm ready. Like I took around the world for about 30 years.